Hey, what's up, guys? It's RetroNax here, bringing you a Black Ops 2 video today. I'm going to be doing some team deathmatch, and I'm going to be doing challenge. The challenge for today is the only pistol challenge. So yeah, let's get started. And right before we start getting into the gameplay, I want to say, guys, please like and subscribe to my videos. Alright, that's all I had to say. Now let's start this challenge. Alright, here, got the TAC 45 and I got the scope on the top of it, so I have better aim and go around through the back. Crap, I did not see him jump out of that window. Can I kill him there? Oh no, my teammate killed him. Got one kill. By the way, I joined this game late, so yeah, what's up, like, down by some. It's only like 7 points, so it's all good. See some everything. Alright. Sorry about the quality. I will be getting a better gaming setup in about a week or 2, hopefully. Jump in here and see if there's anybody coming. Oh crap. Oh, I hate getting flash ready. Can't move at all. Oh no, not again. Oh crap. Holy moly, they're all getting up right there. Alright. Oh, come on, I just spawned me out like that. Oh, dragonfly, watch out. Oh crap. Oh, thank god it blew up. Look at toast. Alright, throw a grenade in there. Oh my god, I can't mark him. What? I totally shot him. Are you serious? Maybe he's in here. Yep. What'd I say? Oh! Sorry guys, I suck. Sorry for what? Dudes, man, they come out of nowhere. Sorry if you can hear my controller or anything in the background. But yeah, Merry Christmas, guys. Let me know in the comments, what did you get for Christmas and how you spent your Christmas. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'll tell you guys what I got. I got a new fish tank, got a new Black Ops. I mean, not new Black, I got new PS3 games. Also, follow me on Twitter. It's RetroNax, no capitals, no nothing. Just RetroNax. Oh my god, I suck, dudes. Wait. Oh, I thought it was 18 deaths. I was gonna say, how? Yeah. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. It's kind of late at night, I know. Oh, crap. Dead. Oh! I got final kill cammed. Yes, we did, sir. Yes, we did. Oh, I like that emblem, though. Dang, bro. Look, I got 2 kills. Wow. Alright, man. Well, alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little video. Yeah, of the pistol only challenge. Oh, look. I got an extended clip. I'm going to put that on right now. Oh, I can't. It's either I get that. Oh no, I'll keep this. Whoa, I'm gonna. Look, guys, the reason I'm a level 19 right now is because I just made this account. And my friend just invited me into a game. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. Peace out, dudes.